Tonight, special counsel Jack Smith still evaluating how to wind down 2 federal cases against President-elect Donald Trump. Justice Department protocol says that a sitting president cannot be prosecuted. However, that policy does not apply to his convictions in New York or the election interference probe right here in Georgia. 11 Alive's Grace King is following this case closely for us. She's joining us now live from Atlanta. And Grace, a lot of folks really questioning here, what will happen with this Georgia case? Will it continue once he reaches the White House?
Legal experts don't think so, but ultimately that decision will be up to District Attorney Fani Willis if the judicial system allows it. The Georgia Court of Appeals still must decide whether Willis can even lead this case. In Georgia, the election interference case is on a months-long pause after allegations of an inappropriate relationship between Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and former special prosecutor Nathan Wade. The Court of Appeals must decide if the case can proceed.
Most courts take breaks. They don't take, a full school break, but they will take a few days off. I just don't see this case getting underway, which probably means a 4-year postponement.
Emory Law School Associate Dean John Acevedo doesn't see a trial starting before Inauguration Day, which would create another unprecedented scenario.
No one's ever attempted to try a sitting president. The closest we came was with Bill Clinton, but then he struck a plea deal to simply surrender his bar license because he had perjured himself during the court case to the court.
Former Fulton County prosecutor Darrell Cohen, who's no longer involved with this case, anticipates a lot of legal challenges if DA Willis attempts to proceed.
The Supreme Court of Georgia will probably have to get involved if the case continues, and certainly the Court of Appeals of Georgia is continually being involved.
He says getting a green light from them feels unlikely.
I would be very surprised if the case continues. Actually, stunned is a better word.
Now, we don't know what Trump's legal team will do, but last December, attorney Steve Sadow told a Fulton County judge that the trial could not take place, if at all, until he left his term of office. I also reached out to the DA's office about potential next steps, but have not yet heard back. Live in Fulton County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Grace, thank you so much. Meanwhile, Mr. Trump is facing several other criminal and civil cases. Join Lester Holt and the NBC Nightly News team as they break down the next steps for those legal battles. That's coming up tonight at 6:30.